Dean D. Davison, LiveWeatherBlogs.com student meteorologist, here with your overnight outlook for Thursday, 10/14/2010. Let's start here taking a look at our water vapor image here out of the eastern U.S. sector. Let's take a look at where the low pressure is for this nor'easter that's developing. Low pressure is now located off the shoreline. You can see the moisture pooling around the low pressure system, and also a lot of dry air kicking into this system also. We have an upper level system sitting back here also, which may bring some disturbed weather, some slight showers overnight in some of the mountain areas of West Virginia, but basically it's going to be wind. We're getting a lot of wind. Winds were up in the 30-mile-an-hour range earlier in the Roanoke Valley, and that's from the exiting low and the building in high. As you can see, the jet stream here comes down and moves up, and that's where the lows formed on this. So if you're in Boston tonight, if you're in New York City, expect a wet night with a lot of wind, gusts up to 50 miles an hour likely up near the Boston area. Let's take a look at the DR level 3 radar out of New York Upton office. As you can see, this rain, to put this in motion, it's not very many frames, but you can see where the low pressure is here. A lot of the rain has moved out of the Philadelphia area, but you can see where the low pressure is at here on this radar, where this rain is. This is all going to move up towards Boston, Essex County. You're going to see all this whole area become engulfed in rain and heavy wind here over the next 5 to 6 hours. Pause this and get this here. The lows located in this area, general direction and path is going to be here, up in that direction. So that's going to push the onshore winds and moisture content inland. And behind it, we're going to get the northwest winds pushing down. So gusty winds expected still in the Philadelphia area overnight. Looking at our surface map here, you can see where the low cranking up. We have the upper level low I was talking about, and a low pressure in the Ohio Valley. Moving along the 12 Zulu, you can see this low really starts cranking up. Bombogenesis will occur up near Boston. Heavy rain and winds, and we might actually see some snow in the higher elevations in Vermont and New Hampshire. So definitely keep an eye on that. And the other low kicks into West Virginia with some slight chance of rain. I see the nor'easter kicks up to the north and actually stalls out for a while in through Saturday, strengthening, and the winds will strengthen with it, and then it'll start pulling away. We got Tropical Storm Paula. Paula is located over Cuba at this time. We also have an area here in the Caribbean again. We have to watch for possible development. We got 10% chance now, but if it gets more favorable, you know how that goes. That's about the same spots these storms have been forming this year and moving into this area, and then Gulf of Mexico has been relatively spared with the high pressure systems. So Florida will be the biggest area to watch. And you see nothing really happening right at this time out in the Atlantic. Let's take a look at satellite for the tropics. Here's Paula, really crappy looking at this time. It's just shearing off the top of this system. Here's the disturbed weather down here in the southwestern Caribbean. We're going to put this into motion so you can see the movement on these. But like I said, this trough dug in deep and sheared off Paula with these westerly winds, and that's why Paula is moving in this general direction. May actually move back to the southwest. We'll take a look at the projected path momentarily. The tropical wave here, this actually is a pretty good area for showers and thunderstorms. We have to watch this, but its proximity to the land is a little bit disturbing to me. Whether it could develop because of its proximity to land. If this gets further out up here, we may have a better situation. But like I say, you see the shear here, just a pure shear coming away from this. The front sitting across here. You see Paula. It's going to basically, it's moving looks like a little north of the projected path, but not much there, and it's going to follow around Cuba. We had a high built in here, this upper level disturbance here, and like I said, there's not much sea developed for those areas. So like I said, here you go, going around here, tropical storm, it'll be a depression, and it probably will dissipate somewhere over central Cuba here. It's over land now and getting torn up at this time as we speak. And the Roanoke Valley forecast, 43 overnight, probably into 30s in the mountains, such as Bed Mountain. We got 64 slight chance of showers with that disturbance, 39 brutal degrees, cold Friday night, 66 Saturday, 76 Sunday, 73 Monday, with all sunny skies. And then lows will warm up a little bit in the Monday night with below 51. And the Triad, 43 overnight, 68 Friday, sunny and 69 Saturday, 75 Sunday, 76 Monday, with sunny skies. So we're looking at a nor'easter moving into the northeast, and a nice weekend, beautiful weekend coming up here for the Roanoke and Triad regions. Stay with LiveWeatherBlogs.com for the latest information. This is Dean D. Davison, LiveWeatherBlogs.com.